how to draw simple. Today we're going to learn how to draw some cotton candy. Let's start off by drawing a big cloud shape that looks super fluffy. And make sure to give it some variation as it goes in and out slightly. I'm going to make the bottom a bit rounder and the top just slightly more pointed. Next, draw the cone with two lines coming down from underneath, meeting at a point. To add some more detail, add some cloud-shaped lines that kind of spiral down the cotton candy like so. Start with them thicker near the edge and thinner going towards the middle. Lastly, add some thin curved lines going up across the cone for a pattern. And now you've got some cotton candy. Let us know in the comments what you think we should draw next. And be sure to check out these videos for more.